go ahead. It's going now. Done cleaning now. Pretty much this is an area that Steam and Demon cleaned, and James is going to hit it with his oscillating pad machine with a dry bonnet and see how much soil he can get out of it. And then he's going to do the same thing on the area he cleaned with his machine, and so we'll get a comparison of how much soil was left in the carpet. So go ahead, James. Get some good light on it. Okay, well, we got a fair amount of soil. Yep. Back out of there.
That's a lot of soil.
Okay.
Especially with the flooding action.
Yep.
But that's what I get. Well, you'll see.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
We'll start for the next one. Okay.
Let's go over here.
Now we're starting on the area that was clean.
With the truck mount.
With the truck mount. The chief truck mount with then you end capped after you, or did you end cap first, James? Oh, this was just truck mount clean?
Yeah, this is the truck mount over here.
Okay.
On this side. And then I use your stuff for all around through here.
Okay, you're right about there now. Okay, we got the pad. Okay, we're going to put the two pads together.
Okay.
Problem is we're going over the amount of time. This probably have to be a two-part video now.
Just for the record, Mike is not a scientist, he plays well on TV.
Oh my goodness, what do we got? On the right side we got the truck mount. On the left side we got the Steam and Demon pad.
Wow.
They look about even.
Let's look right in the middle of the pad.
This pad is,
hold on.
Okay. That one's a lot thicker than that.
Yeah,
That's why you got, but that's why you got the...
Statistically they probably are just about, I'd say, the same.
the center looks a lot dirty.
But we need to realize the Demon cleaned the dirtiest area of all on the carpet.
Well,
but
I'd say this one's the dirtiest I've seen.
Well,
I think they're about the same.
That's a lot thinner than this one. That's why that's
a little bit thicker pad.
Yeah.
So, okay.
That's why that would be darker. They're about even.
Okay.
I like that.
All right.
It might be a hair.
Yeah, I think just a little. You can see the
Well, what's interesting is
Well, let's do this. Let's,
what's becoming obvious is there's no way to completely clean a carpet. What's becoming obvious is there's no way to completely clean a carpet.
What's becoming obvious is there's no way to completely clean a carpet. No way to completely clean a carpet.
right.
That's true.
It's becoming obvious.
Let's-